2024 में मैंने 2 चीज़ें की और उसमें मैं सबीर सर का बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ। सबीर सर एडुकेमी के प्रोफेसर हैं और उनका बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ। उन्होंने गाइड किया।
My name is Sonak Jose. I secured All India rank 54 in this year's civil services examination. I would like to thank Educemi and Shabir sir for the support he gave throughout the mains. I joined the main support program in my second attempt that helped me to fine-tune my answer writing skill and helped me to score 158 marks in paper. So thank you Educemi and Shabir sir.
ये बताइए कि आपका ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल पढ़ने में आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
सर मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ था थ्रू एडुकेमी ज्योग्राफी ओनली। तो वो स्टार्टिंग का फाउंडेशनल वो फन वे सबके साथ धीरे धीरे आराम से पढ़ते हुए तो वो आपको फिर धीरे धीरे आप लाइक करने लग जाते हैं ज्योग्राफी को। अगर एक अच्छे मेंटर अच्छा टीचर हो तो आप अपने आप ही सब्जेक्ट से लव करने लग जाते हैं। तो आई थिंक वो चीज़ भी होती है सर कि आप किससे पढ़ रहे हैं, आपकी कम्युनिटी जो डेवलप होती है क्या अगल बगल होती है, जो वो कितने पॉजिटिव हैं, वो किस तरह के हैं, वो ज्योग्राफी क्यों लिए हैं, उनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है, तो उससे भी आपको बहुत पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है कि ठीक है ओके आई हैव सिलेक्टेड द राइट ज्योग्राफी, राइट ऑप्शन।
बट डिड यू हैव दैट एडवांटेज ऑनलाइन में? हाउ डिड यू इंटरैक्ट विद देम?
आई थिंक सर वो मेरे को कभी फेल्ट नहीं हुआ बिकॉज मैं उससे पहले भी सर हम लोग ने जब किया था तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजिकली ओरिएंटेड तभी से हो गए थे सर। तो ऐसा कुछ इशू नहीं हुआ मुझे कभी भी कि इंटरेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज देयर वाज अ कम्युनिटी दैट वाज बिल्ड ऑन
You were fairly comfortable online process.
Sure, yes, sir.
And you had an interaction with them.
So how did my class help you in the geography preparation or otherwise also?
Sir, the problem this time in mains was that I did not have a lot of time. I had some exigencies back home, so I only had just 15 days to prepare for optional. And I needed something that gives me a very good idea of important topics and important sources for those topics. I cannot go around and look for bigger books and find out what the topics are. So you need somewhere that you find important topics, notes from that, or ready-made answers for that. So a list of answers of important topics, you read that, you go to the exam, and because optional gives you a lot of options, कि आपको सारे करेक्ट नहीं करने हैं, सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं करने हैं, तो आपने जो पढ़ा है जिन जिन क्वेश्चन में दिख रहा है वो अटेम्प्ट करिए। सो दैट सिलेक्टिव रीडिंग, द टेस्ट सीरीज आल्सो एड्रेसेस दैट, सो दैट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर दिस ईयर यू ऑलरेडी रिटन द टेस्ट सीरीज। इफ यू हैवंट, एटलीस्ट रीड द अप्रोच आंसर्स टू द टेस्ट। सो अप्रोच आंसर्स, द क्वेश्चन बैंक दैट यू गिव दोस, एंड द क्लासेस, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट क्लासेस, द प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी। सो यू प्रेडिक्टेड ग्लेशियर फीचर्स, इट वाज इन द एग्जाम. You predicted code-related infrastructure, it was in the exam. Indian Ocean, it was in the exam. So that kind of prediction is what helps you if you do not have a lot of time. And this year, because you only have 2.5 months for mains,
All the more important.
all the more important for selective reading. So these kind of courses help you there. So you have to identify which faculty, which teacher provides you that insight in the exam. Who has understood the demand? Everyone will teach it, but who has understood what the UPSC wants? If you understand that, you go to the correct person.
Yeah, thank you for saying as much, Rajat.
Geography has played a very important role. Last year भी मेरे 270 marks थे and this year also I've scored 273. So it has remained consistent for me. For Educemi and Shabir sir and Dimple ma'am, so I am an electronics engineer. Geography का मुझे कोई knowledge and background नहीं थी, but मेरा foundation मैंने यहाँ से किया था. Tests मैंने लिखे हैं कहीं और के भी, but the foundation has been from here and I think जो summary sheets हम बनाते हैं, you guys also, so that has been something जो कि मेरे peers से भी I had exchanged and वो अभी तक मेरे पास है. That has been something जो मैंने दोनों मेंस में बहुत ही प्यार से बार बार पढ़े हैं, that has helped me.
एडुकेमी के 14 टेस्ट सीरीज लिखे थे और ठीक ठाक नंबर आते थे, तो जेन्युइनली मुझे लगा कि एडुकेमी हैज हेल्प मी बिकॉज दिस वाज माय थर्ड अटेम्प्ट, सेकंड मेंस. व्हेन आई रोट माय मेंस लास्ट टाइम आई गॉट 228 एंड दिस ईयर आई गॉट 295. तो मतलब 67 नंबर का जो इंक्रीमेंट है वो मुझे लगा टेस्ट सीरीज से आया है मतलब. और बाकी सब तो कोचिंग मटेरियल्स कमोबेश सेम ही होते हैं, बट एडुकेमी का जो हैंड रिटन नोट्स होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे हेल्प किया.
I joined after doing my foundational course from another institute. So in MSP, I came to learn about how to write answers, how to think of the subtopics, like now how I am thinking. So that part I developed from the MSP also. Like you gave us a question and you gave some time to us to think about it and how we can think, how we can link our whatever we learned that is in our mind and how we can link that into the answer. So how to answer the question, I think I learned that from you. And like some questions are also direct from MSP this time, like the critical minerals questions that you have done in your MSP classes. You have done the India map and shown which critical minerals is found in which part and what are the potentials. That also in transport part also, this terms like this transport is a subject which is very non-geographical topic. So there also as far as I remember the terms like massification, atomization, all I learned from the MSP class, and they are new for me and I have implemented these in my answers.
How did Educami help you? And you can be very honest
Yes,
here. Okay,
yes.
I am on the camera. Okay,
Yes.
and I have not told her anything what she might say.
आई एक्चुअली मैंने आपसे मतलब पूरा फाउंडेशन कोर्स भी आपके अंडर मैंने पढ़ा है एंड आई आल्सो टुक एनरिचमेंट क्लासेस ट्वाइस और थ्राइस आई थिंक एंड आई हैव बीन टेकिंग टेस्ट सीरीज कंटिन्यूअसली माय लास्ट 3 or 4 अटेम्प्ट्स. तो मैं बोलूँगी कि मतलब एडुकेमी एक्चुअली मतलब शबीर सर एक्चुअली ही क्रिएटेड द एंटायर बेस फॉर मी और उन्होंने पूरा देखा है कि हाउ आई प्रोग्रेस बिट बाय बिट. आई वुड से दैट मतलब मुझे ज्योग्राफी के बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं था, तो इट इज़ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ शबीर सर. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं ज्योग्राफी के बारे में.
Fine, she said more than I would have deserved.
Sir, in fact, I would say I had learned geography from you as a teacher only, and the essence of the subject is something that we have to grasp, and that it develops over a period of time. And I have listened to your enrichment classes, to your other map and classes as well, and discussion classes. So there are certain statements that a teacher makes, and we are not always able to realize those statements, but sometimes when we are reading that subject again, it kind of strikes you. So there are a lot of things that I have learned, and not just geography, in life in general. So I would say I'm grateful to you as a teacher, and later on Educami as an institution that has provided a lot of insights.
How did you hear about us? What was the source of information? How did you decide on that you should join our course?
Sir, when I was analyzing, when I was deciding कि geography option रखना है, मैंने प्रथम कौशिक सर का ब्लॉग पढ़ा था, and in that he mentioned about your classes. So after reading it, I did not decide कि करना ही करना है. So then again I analyzed कि कौन कौन से अच्छे ऑप्शनल फाउंडेशन कोर्स हैं. तो मुझे फॉर्मेट अच्छा लगा कि फाउंडेशन भी हो रहा था, एनरिचमेंट भी हो रहा था, टेस्ट सीरीज भी हो रहा था इवन बिफोर द प्रीलिम्स. इसलिए मैंने ये ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Okay, so this year I joined MSP program wherein it really streamlined my preparation because उस 3 महीने में it is very difficult to cover the syllabus effectively if there is no set timetable or accountability. So I feel that Shabir sir's video were really helpful in a way that the days were scheduled. Say a topic of transportation needs to be completed in 2 days, and sir provided an introductory video that this is the syllabus topic, these are the trends of the questions that are being asked, and these are the current affairs topics that are in news. So it in a way funneled down, or it provided a focus that you need to provide this much amount of time for these many topics, and the current linkages was really strong. I believe in paper 2 especially, there was few questions who were directly asked, say foreign trade policy, or I think there was conflict or climate change related some questions. Okay. So I believe that content was really helpful, and another really helpful thing was the answers that you shared.
Okay.
I think
the model answers we are providing to the students.
Yeah. So sir in one of the class said that this is the first time we are doing this, that we are sending you the topper written answers. the PYQs before the class. So some questions were discussed in the class and some were provided with the handwritten one. What I find useful was, since the question is written, so I used to frame the answers myself and then I used to compare it to the topper's copy or whatever handwritten copies that the answers that you provided. So it gave me the gap that needs to be filled in the answers, because I knew the content, but I did not knew the interlinkages between these two topics. Say there was a topic of Manipur conflict, so that can be used in many things, say in internal security or in women related issue or in hill area development. So what I find useful was that one topic I could use in various things. So I think interlinkages became really useful. And another thing was that you shared, I think, Preksha Agarwal ma'am's copies. Last year, she secured rank 30. So her copies were really, really helpful, especially in paper 1. And that's why I've gotten the score of 177.